Hey YouTube, it's not the junkie.
Alright guys, customer states the car will not move and there's a clunking noise when he puts it in gear. I don't know if you guys heard that, but we're gonna get up under the car and see what's going on. Alright guys, I think we found this problem. That'll make for a bad day. This one ain't far behind. Missing the clamp. Let's see if he wants to go ahead and replace both of them. Today we're going to be trying out the new Texas Twister. We got it on a good deal. I got my doubts, but we'll give it a shot. Typically you'd want to slide this horseshoe all the way in to grab that CV axle, but the transmission housing's in the way. But how it works is you got a hook on the end, so you're air hammering this way, essentially pulling the whole piece out. Let's go ahead and give that a shot, see if it works.
Negative.
Yeah, I think that tool's busted. This is what was catching us, or it wouldn't get in there. All right. Sometimes fancy tools don't always work. Get a pry bar. Get in the zone. What we got over here, Alan?